There's a way to double your hair salon in 14 days with less clients? That's crazy talk. Now, if you're not in the hair business, you may want to skip this ad. But if you are a hairstylist, a barber, or a salon owner, this is definitely something you may want to pay attention to. At addinghair.com, every week we hear the same thing. We hear from hairstylists, barbers, and salon owners that are seeing more people come in their doors with hair loss than ever before. Thousands of men and women are looking for help for their thinning hair every day. Hair replacement centers will charge these people anywhere from $3,000 to $5,400 a year. Now, most hairstylists and barbers don't know that they could actually offer these exact same services in their salons in a matter of weeks. And you could actually learn these skills in the comfort of your own home on your phone or tablet. If you stop by today, you're going to have immediate access to an ebook as well as a short training class that explains a little bit more about what we do. We can't wait to see you inside.